Good morning. Sorry. Hi, myself Professor Jitendra Engre, Senior Lecturer from Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering Technology, Naugar, Bhayandar East. Our today's topic is speech writing. In it, we will discuss the farewell speech. Student, in our last lecture, we already discussed the welcome speech. At that time, we also know that what are the different types of speech in our syllabus and how to prepare the welcome speech we already understood. So same way we will prepare the farewell speech. So now course outcome. Student able to deliver the prepared speech to express idea, thoughts and emotions. Writing skill. Student able to develop the farewell speech for a given situation. Then speaking skill. Student able to introduce oneself with the correct pronunciation, intonation with the verbal or non-verbal signs and signal. These are the learning outcomes student able to achieve after completion of this topic or after watching this video. So, what is farewell speech or when the farewell speech will be given? As we know that farewell speech will be given at the time of retirement, at the time of departure, at the if when person leaving the organization, that time we will giving the farewell speech. The farewell speech is given when someone leave a current job to take another or retire, take another opportunity or another job or retirement from the job. It is also given when a batch of the student completes the particular emotion degree. Farewell speeches mark significant departure. A well-planned farewell speeches crystallize the moment of living, giving the focus from dignity and provide an opportunity to publicity. Acknowledge appreciation and gratitude graciously. It is when it is given by the person leaving to the person by the colleagues or manager or the boss in that particular organization. Means in this way or for this reason we will prepare the farewell speech in particular moment or particular time. Here are some tips for preparing welcome speech. If we follow such tips, obviously the speech became more impressive or more attractive. So see, one by one, see we will discuss what are the important tips or ideas. What we have sincerely enjoy, admire or appreciate about the person, contribute to the workplace or social club, neighbor, etc. We will expressing through our emotions or thoughts or ideas. Illustrate of the positive quality of that particular person. We will explain the positive way, positive qualities or helpful nature of that person. However, his departure will impact on left behind. When the person left the organization, obviously his roles we or his presence already okay we will feeling. So his importance or his most important qualities okay we will presenting there at the time of his departure. The good wishes for his future. Finally, we give the best wishes to him his remaining or future life. Okay, presenting the gift on the behalf of all. Also presenting the gift to him on the behalf of your organization or on the behalf of all. There are some sample ideas of preparing farewell speech. The brief summary of involvement, that is number of years. When you are preparing farewell speech, you will giving the brief summary of his working or his workplace or his working life. What you have enjoy, admire or appreciate about the workplace or job, etc. Also say few words or appreciate him about the workplace, his quality and the job. Also appreciate you have for the people are their qualities. Also for his quality, best wishes, his best, his good nature, we will appreciate. What do you feel about living? Okay, what are the feelings of sadness? What are the feeling of sorrow comes your mind when our best friend left the organization or when our colleague left the organization? You will expressing such a feeling. Then say few words, some gratitude words, expressing your gratitude toward the organization or toward the person, and sharing good memories, okay, which you enjoyed in a past. Also sharing some memories, some incidents, okay, you have enjoyed in your organization or enjoy with the your friends or colleagues. So if in this way or if we follow such a tips or ideas, Obviously, our speech became more impressive. Student, we will see the example. So, but before giving the example, you must know that there are two types of farewell speech. The person who leaving the job or leaving the organization, or at the time of his retirement, he himself giving the speech. Second, at the time of retirement, at the departing of the person or leaving of the person, the organization or his colleagues giving the speech on his or her retirement. So see, we see the example. Farewell speech by an employee. Good evening everyone. It is difficult to express my feelings either in this way, or you will start in different way. Good morning one and all. Good morning ladies and gentlemen. Today I am standing before you to share my feeling of joy and sorrow. I am living when I got here so many, or I have successfully completed my 30-year or 25-year span as a manager, as a worker, as a professor, as a XYZ servant. Okay, in this we will start the speech. I never realized how I connected I was to have such a warm community for the people around me. Many times I have been humbled by the kindness of heart and helped by my colleagues. Tomorrow I will wake up in my new life full of yet to be realized opportunities and empty for of your company. I will be in a strange limbo. You have helped me through difficult time and share the joyous time in your. So people judge their lives on what they do, other on who they are. I want my life judged on the friend I keep and how enriched I am for just knowing you. There are the people who help me in my good and bad times, always supporting and encouraging and motivating also. I will always in debt to you all. So until the next time we gather, my dear friend, I am farewell for you now. Thank you. So in this way we prepare a farewell speech. Then second, the farewell speech for colleagues. Okay, at the time of farewell speech, the colleagues or the organization or any representative from the organization giving the farewell speech. Good evening or good morning, one and all present here, or good morning, ladies and gentlemen, or my colleagues. Today, I am standing before you to share my mix of feeling of joy and sorrow. Or either today it is a very sad day for us in office, as we have to say goodbye our best friend or our colleagues or co-worker in this organization. He has worked with us for a long time, either 30 years span or a 25 years span of time. He has always been extremely professional, hardworking and team player. He has a brilliant mind and always brought creative new ideas to our team. He has not only been fantastic colleagues, he has also been a true friend. He always took time to ask how his or her fellow colleagues were, always had a time to listen, to talk anybody with problem, and has been a great joy in the office. He has he was always full of energy and cheerful to see everyone on the next Monday or next day, first day of week. He is a great loss of our company, but we were lucky to have an opportunity to work with him or under his guidance. We all wish you the best for your future retired life. I know that. I know that whatever the future hold, he will excel and continue to be successful. We will miss you, but isn't this isn't goodbye. As we know, you will keep touch, and you will see the you seen rather than later. Thank you for everything you have given to the company. Thanks. So student, in this way we will prepare a farewell speech. We prepare a farewell speech if somebody else left the organization or left retiring from the post, or either in a school college the final year students completed their education and go leaving the school or college for further education. That time we are also preparing the farewell speech. In this way there are two types of two way we are preparing the farewell speech: at the retirement of or at the leaving of his or her, he himself giving the speech, or at the retirement of the colleagues or either students, either or departuring or farewell of the student or colleagues, or either any person or the organization, the institute organization giving the farewell speech. So student, I hope you all of us understood the farewell speech. Thank you.